Hello everyone, my name is Hoài. I'm 18 years old. I come from Taiping City. Now I live in Thiên Hiền district. I'm a university student at Vietnam University of Commerce. My major is business administration. Um, in my free time, I like playing basketball. I enjoy being around different type of people and I like to challenge myself to improve at everything I do. Um, I have been a great team player. I'm good at keeping a team together and producing quality work in a team environment. In the future, I want to become a CEO and have a big house and good car. Thank you for listening.